Hey guys, it's Terry. Um, a while ago I did a live unboxing video and attempted to program the P2 and ran into a little trouble. First was sort of expected in that Peanut, which is the programming software, looks for the P2 on COM 1 through 9, and of course it got assigned to COM 10. Why wouldn't it? And had to adjust that, and that was somewhat expected. However, something I didn't expect was after actually programming it, it to not do anything. It appeared to just not function correctly after programming it. I did a little more investigation. I was able to bring up tacos. It's TACOZ. And that was sort of a joke, an in joke with Chip Gracie, who had to, or I don't know if he had to, but he got rid of some processing equipment he had for making tacos, making taco shells. I think that was one of his side projects that he was involved in, and during that discussion was about the time they were looking at naming the next version of Tachyon for the P2. Tachyon is essentially fourth, which is what I was trying to think of a while ago. And I'm tired, and I'm sick, and I'm not 100%, so I apologize for having a brain fart there. But yeah, the other part of it is TACOZ. The guy that develops this, I believe it's Peter Jackie, develops Tachyon and tacos, and he's an Australian, so he's an Aussie, and so it's TACOZ, which I think is kind of cool. So those guys are great. Anyway, so I was able to bring up tacos and make that work. So I knew that the board was good at that point. And I just did a quick forum post and said I can't get Blink to work, and I don't know why. And the reason why is the pins that they have on the FPGA boards are different than the pins on the evaluation board, and so we just had to change the pin assignment in the assembly code here. So we changed it over to pin number 56. And it was starting at pin 32, so we start at pin 56 now. And so now we can go in, we can click run, we can compile, and hey, we have flashy lights. Look at that. So I'm happy to say that the evaluation board is operating as expected, which is really cool. See, I'll go ahead and see if I can show you an example right now of tacos. Bring up the Parallax serial here, and excuse me. I hope that I will be able to speak with. You'll be able to read what I type in here. So let me go ahead and reset this guy. And we'll wait for him to boot back up. And as it's booting up, I'm just sending the escape sequence. You can see the flash occur up there. There we go. Hey, we got tacos. And let me see if I can change the font size on that to something that you'll be able to read. There we go. So there's tacos here at the command prompt. And I believe we can do something such as blink, I don't know, 61? Okay, probably didn't want to do that. How about blink 60? Okay. So blink 60, we're now making that LED blink. Blink 59. There we go. We can now make that blink. Let's see, we'll make this just a little bit larger. Some of it will scroll off the screen there, so maybe you can see that a little bit better. So Tacos does a number of really cool things where you just send it verbs and it does stuff. Someone actually did one that produced some Christmas music whenever they got it. I believe they got it Christmas Eve, and that was kind of cool. So just wanted to share this with you guys and let you know that I did get it up and running. Everything is good to go. We're A-OK. Again, this was just something that was just ignorant on my part. I assumed that that the LEDs would be a 1-for-1 with the FPGA boards, and that is not correct, and that's okay. Being able to just get it up and running was good enough. So I kind of like the minimalist thing taken here with Peanut. I think that's really, really cool. You know, essentially this is your DAT section, and you go in here and just, you know, put assembly in and tell it to run it, compile it and run it, and off it goes. And that's just super cool. This is supposed to be a stopgap. I'm wondering how long it's going to be around, since it's sort of in there in the wild right now. I would imagine that a lot of people will probably get used to using this. Even though I have seen where other people are building editors and IDEs and stuff, so I'm probably going to play around with that a little bit later on, and we'll see how it goes. But thanks for hanging out, and man, I apologize I didn't get this to work right the first time right out of the box, but now we've got it up and going. It's going to be a whole lot of fun with it. Maybe I'll do some videos of generating VGA with it. And doing other things, so we'll just have to see how that works out. Anyway, thanks for hanging out, guys, and we'll see you later. Bye.